Life in charge. Get the BMW Connected Home Charging package for your plug-in hybrid or fully electric BMW to charge efficiently, for example by using a maximum of solar power, and to use connected home charging with your My BMW app. All in, the package includes the BMW Wallbox Plus, all the necessary hardware like a smart meter, connected home charging services in your My BMW app, and a professional installation by our partner E.ON. You can easily order the BMW Connected Home Charging package from your BMW dealer, together with your new electric BMW model. Or later as an after-sales offer, BMW customers get exclusive access to the E.ON online store, where you can customize the solution for your needs. An E.ON technician will take care of setup and configuration at your home. Now you simply connect your new Wallbox Plus with your My BMW app to use the intelligent control features of connected home charging. Watch our other video to learn how. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.